Hey, what's up, KDP coloring booksellers on Amazon? I'm going to show you another cool tool within Nurie Creator, something that, again, a user request will multiple users. This is how Luke and I work. We get requests from a multiple of users, and if it's the same request, then Luke he will try to add it as a feature within the software. So check this out. Here we are on the main page. I want you to go to Tools. Uh-oh, I'm almost out of power. Go to Tools. Check this out. Color line drawing. Now, why was this feature born? Why was this feature created, I should say? Well, because a lot of users wanted to add one of the interior images as the main part of their book covers, right? They wanted to give a direct translation of what the interior is if it was colored. So that's why this particular feature was added. So here you are, current size. I'm going to keep it as is, right? I'm going to use one of my stained glass gnomes right here and add that in there. Then click Colorize Image. Should take a hot second. Hopefully my power doesn't run out before I show you this. I'm going to keep this on. I'm not going to pause it. Let's see how long it takes. Should be fast. Any second now. And boom, there we go. Beautiful. Okay. You can colorize. It's colorized now. You can upscale to HD, make it a HD high definition image, and download results. As simple as that. I'm going to download as is. And that's it. Okay. Okay. See you in the next video, next tutorial guide. There's a bunch of these tutorials showing you exactly how NC Nurie Creator works. Okay, see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Be good.